Hello everyone, I am here with a short video to help to explain easel, which is something that I will be using quite often in my classes. Here we go. You will find your easel assignment through the feed on Google Classroom. This website pairs with it quite well. So you will click on the assignment in Classroom. It will bring you to something like this. This is something we will be doing in lower secondary math. You don't have to put your name on it because your name is already assigned when I assign it. But let's just start with this and I'll show you how to use it. Write an expression that matches 5 more than a number. So you can use, I'm going to use the highlighter. It's medium yellow and it's not 5 plus in. It is in plus 5. So then a line would go there. Next, solve the one-step equation. X minus 3 equals 15. 12 minus 3 is not 15, so we can't go that way. 18 minus 3 is 15, so we can go this way. And we can keep drawing with our highlighter to wherever we need to go. There's also the pen function. I ask that you don't use this color blue. You can use any other color except for white. I can see it. You can use a highlighter. And there's some more features I'll show you in a second. This website actually tells you what pen it wants you to use. I will include directions when I post something, or just make sure it's legible. That's my main concern. Whatever setting you use or color you use, just make sure that you can read it, because if you can read it, I can read it. Once you were to finish this and do everything you need to do, you would click turn in and it will turn in the assignment. Then I can edit everything and give you feedback and comments all on this document and give it back. So once you are done with doing each assignment, you will hit turn in. Now I want to go on to something a little more complicated. Something that we did in science, a chemistry mat. This says, please note, students should use the text tool to add answers as needed. So what does that mean? That means that you will use this feature over here, text. You can click on the line or where you want to put it. The color is not blue. The answer to this question is periods. So then I write my answer. Like this question right here wants you to draw electrons on this diagram. So for that, I can change from text to the pen. I can make it thin. Let's make it red so it stands out. And then I can draw on this diagram. I can also use dots like that. You can insert images. You can insert shapes. You can insert shapes. What else can you do? See, you can fill it. You can erase things. And then, I wanted to make sure that each assignment is only one page, or that you check each page. If it says 2 of 3, you can keep working. It is pretty good at saving if you run off or you click it off. It doesn't always save everything, but it does save a lot of it. So again, once you are done and you've filled out everything, you just hit the turn in button and you have turned it in. And that is how you use easel.